This is the 1997 Mitsubishi Pajero. It has the 6G74 6-cylinder gasoline engine with an automatic transmission. This Pajero comes with 87,877 original miles. It is 4 doors with a rear hatch. Let's go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the dash. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away.
Bluetooth mode.
All right, I did want to let y'all know that this vehicle does come in kilometers, not miles, as y'all can see down here. So the number that y'all seeing up here, 141,427, that is the kilometers. The miles on it again is 87,877. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of this vehicle.